recently, a couple of weeks back, a new version of Selenium has been released, which is Selenium 4.0. Out of curiosity, I have written a very simple program just to open the browser and close it. And when I try to run it, let's see what happens. It just looks executed successfully. But so if you are a programmer, you will understand that when you're looking at the output, I've got an exception. Everybody is curious about what is the new version of Selenium, what features has been introduced, and so on and so forth. Right? So in order to learn it, so we are planning to start a new batch in this coming Wednesday, where for details, you can visit our website, aksharatraining.com. You can just go to our website, you can go to course, you'll get all the details, and you can also be in touch with us. Right? So in this course, we start with Java. And in the Java, we'll discuss from the basics, starting from history of Java, introduction to the Java, installation of JDK software, the basic building blocks of Java, such as keywords, identifiers, data types, and so on and so forth. And while writing a program, of course, we need a control over the execution. We use control statements. And Java is famous for our OOPS concepts, object-oriented programming system. We'll discuss the complete concepts of OOPS, popularly the concepts such as class, objects, okay, polymorphism, etc., etc. And we will also discuss the next level, which is an Java built-in packages, also called as APIs that we have it. Morely we concentrate on concepts such as string, exception handling, and collection concept, file handling, and so on and so forth. The Java course is designed in such a way that it is more suitable for people who are looking in software automation, test automation. Keeping that in mind, this course has been designed. Usually we discuss around for 40-45 days. Then we start with an automation Selenium, right? And in Selenium, of course, I will be discussing the latest version of Selenium, which is Selenium 4. And in Selenium 4, we'll discuss the basics first. What is automation? What is the advantage? What is the disadvantage? And so on and so forth. And then we'll start with slowly the Selenium features. And remember, Selenium 4 has been introduced newly, but the concept we will discuss it throughout the course. Okay, in every day or in every section of the Selenium course, we'll discuss what are the new things that has been added in Selenium 4. Right. So first we'll discuss the basics such as interacting with the browsers. Then we'll discuss how to identify the objects, how to perform the actions, how do we handle the timing issues, which is synchronization, handling the challenging concepts such as pop-ups, frames, tabs, okay? And of course, we will see how to implement this OOPS concepts in Selenium, especially writing an automation script. And when you go to any interview, of course, questions always starts with a beautiful concept automation framework. And different types of frameworks are there. We'll discuss it. Basically, hybrid is a popular one. As a part of this, we'll discuss page object model, TestNG, and we'll also discuss the real-time environment setups such as Maven, GitHub, Jenkins, Grid, and so on and so forth. Okay. And we will discuss how to design the framework, how to implement it, okay, how to execute it, and so on and so forth. And please remember, throughout the sessions, not only I will teach you the concepts, along with me, you will also write a program, right? So I will teach you, I'll repeat the concepts. You are going to write a program along with me. You will run it in your laptop, and I'll ensure that the code is working fine properly, right? It will be hands-on session, not just a discussion, right? And as a part of this course, there are definitely, you get a value-added things such as you'll get recording of the session so that you can watch repetitively a number of times when you get a free time. You can prepare your own notes, and it'll help you to prepare your resume. We will conduct test and mock interviews, which will help you to clear the real actual interviews that you get it. And I've seen many people who attend our course who already working as a manual test engineers, but now they got an opportunity to work as an automation engineer in the current project. Okay. In such cases, I will guide you how to implement the framework in your current project. Okay. So this course is suitable for people who want to start career in IT industry, people who want to switch from non-IT to IT, people who have a career break, people who got into automation, right? Their project has been updated to automation, but you are looking for an automation knowledge, and this is the right course you're supposed to attend it. And my humble request is online training that we are conducting it, okay, has advantage also, disadvantage also. And when it comes to the learning it, there are some things you must do it, there are some things you should not do it. Okay. Especially, please be ensure that you're on time, because at the initial stages, we'll discuss something, right? Those introductions to the topic. If you miss that introductions, you will not understand what is happening. Okay. And always make a habit of keeping a book and pen ready, even though you are not attending online, right? You may be having access to the recording. You can watch the recording later. Trust me, if you write down those points by your own hand, you will never forget it. Okay. And always ask questions. Don't be spectators. Okay. Keep speaking. Ask any questions that you have it. Listen to what other people are asking the questions, right? And whenever a faculty asks questions, you respond to it. Whether the answer is right or not, that is secondary. Okay, so please ensure that you are answering to the question. Okay. And please avoid skipping the classes, and don't postpone practicing it, saying that I'll do it later. That later will never come. Okay. And what you can expect while joining this course. Okay. Of course, people with fresher to the 10 years, 12 years of experience people, right, are okay, suitable for attending these batches, because the syllabus is designed in such a way that not only for freshers, it's more focused for experienced people. Okay. And the concept that we discussed will give you tremendous amount of knowledge and confidence, right? And usually we'll take it around only 1.5 hours to 2 hours. More than that is not good, right? It's not possible to absorb everything. And so usually the classes will be from Monday to let's say Saturday, right? And Sunday sometimes we take it. It all depends. In case if class is cancelled or anything, then only we'll take it on Saturdays. And as a value add-on, we will also give you all the code notes, okay, all the images that we use it, and so on and so forth. And we will also make sure that the session recording will be available in our app, right? And so definitely at right now, due to Corona, we don't have any physical setup. We don't have any classroom training. Everything happens online only. And we are not conducting any weekend batches, right? Because it is too hard for any person to effectively sit in a classroom for long hour duration. Let's say when I say weekend, usually it will take 4 to 5 hours and all. It will not be an effective. Since it is an online, I think okay, attending every day 1.5 hours should not be a okay problem. In case if you miss any sessions and all, don't worry. You can of course access our recordings, or you can attend next batch. Okay, so not an issue. And so you please attend our sessions. Okay, few demo classes will be conducted. If you feel happy, if you are satisfied, if you're confident, then only go ahead with the okay, payments. And you have an option to pay in one time, or you can pay it on installments, and so on and so forth. For everything, you can speak to our manager, Divya. So in the description, I'll share her number. So here you can see the details. You can call this number 720-484-2332 to get the details about the batch, fees, and other things. And this Wednesday, we are starting a new Java batch. You can attend that. If you already know Java, so we are starting Selenium from Monday tomorrow. So for any details, please ping that to me. Okay, thank you so much.